What's up, YouTube? Old Man Ronin here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, we got M's back there in tow, Iron Lady on the back of the bike, heading to a little swap meet, and we're going to do a test on our new recording. Iron Lady, are you back there?
I'm here.
How about you, M's?
I'm here too.
That's good, that's good. Well, we'll have to see how this works. If not, it'll be a wasted day. Well, not really a wasted day. We get to see some cool shit, but we won't we won't be able to share the video. So, but until then, I heard you just got a new tattoo. Ems, where'd you get it at?
I got a zero tattoo in Glenville down here in Columbus.
And what'd you get this time?
Bunch of flowers. They were from my other stuff in my arm.
Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. What, are they all kind of in uniform, or are you just doing random, or just whatever you feel like?
My tattoos are just the ones I got.
Yeah, they're just like the ones you have? Yeah, that's cool. I didn't know if you were going for a theme.
I don't know, not really.
Not really? Just whatever you feel like your mom.
Yep. I had somebody ask me yesterday, so what's the meaning behind the skull on your arm?
I wanted it. That's the meaning. I wanted it. Yeah, I think that's crazy. People think you have to have a meaning for everything you do. It's crazy. No, sometimes it's just shit you like.
It's the art of the artist that you go to that you like. So you just, I don't know, it doesn't always have to be meaningful. It could just be something that you think is cool.
That's awesome. But did it hurt?
Yeah, it hurt.
I know. I get a kick out of that. Did your tattoo hurt? Yeah, it fucking hurt, you dumbass.
Yes, it hurt.
That's pretty funny.
It hurts every day, all the time.
Yeah, I mean, it's 24 hours a day hurt, so all you wussies don't need to get any. You just save it for real people. I do need to get some more art, because I really want to do, I actually have a theme that I want to go for on one side of my arm, which is every country that in the world I've been to. I think that'd be kind of cool, like something, not necessarily the shape of the country, but like something from there. Like from Egypt, I want to get the pyramids. I don't know about Israel, but you know, different places like that, Lebanon, all through the Middle East, Germany. I think it'd be kind of cool to have, you know, like Germany, definitely have to have a beer stein. That's what exactly I'm going for there. Italy, maybe a plate of spaghetti. I don't know. But I don't know. I'm going to ask, what's the name of your guy there, Ems?
His name's Matt Carlisle.
Matt? I'll have to ask him. I really like the gray, black and gray. I like that look. I have color on my other one, but I don't know, I'm kind of over it. Fades too much. Of course, it's only 25 years old, so what am I going to say? Well, I hope it comes out. But, you know, everything's a test. You got to start somewhere.
Can't worry so much about it.
I know. I was worried about that guy coming around on the side of the road.
Well, that you have to worry about.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, he was over the double yellow. And I had to look at Ems to see where she was at, so I didn't cut her off. Well, you got your bike looking pretty good back there, Ems. What other changes you want to make to it?
Well, I'd like to do a few things, hopefully with the exhaust and the handlebars. I also want to get some new foot pegs. I just need to hurry up and do that. But I'd like to have everything uniform. I got a lot of chrome and black, and I needed to choose one, so chrome it is.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get that two brothers racing 2-to-1, and then I'm gonna put the Sportster exhaust on yours. I think that'll take care of that. But as far as the foot peg, I'll tell you what, go online and look at the different ones. If you had any ones, I think you want to do the moto, like the motocross type pegs, right?
Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah, I kind of like them too. I'm thinking about putting them on the Sportster. I've seen some Bung King has. It's hard for me to say. Bung King. We'll try it again. Bung King has some pegs that are pretty good, and they're like only 130 bucks. So I don't think they make rear pegs, but I don't think I'm gonna have I'm not gonna change the rear pegs on the Sportster anyways, but that may be something for you to look at. But you know, pick what you want. Biltwell has some cool shit.
Yeah.
I want to put a fuel pack 3 on yours down the road too. And, and you said you want to do some new bars. We already decided on what those 1200 Sportster, the Iron 1200 bars.
Yeah, what are they, 12 inch 8, I think, something like that.
Yeah, they're 12 inches, but yeah, I think it's got the right spread, I think, too. I think it'll look really good on your bike, too. And it'll go with that silver chrome black finish you got going on. See, that's pretty fun, isn't it? We do stuff like that every once in a while. So I'm going to turn the camera off for a minute.
A few moments later.
Well, wasn't that a blast? Really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I say, we did more of a test for our microphone and recording than anything else. But we also got a chance to go to a cool little swap meet. So, hope you enjoyed the video again. Like I said, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Hit the bell notifications too. That way you'll know when we post a new video. Well, until next time, ride safe and keep her on 2 wheels, baby.